What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to have a detailed review of Tudia Dual Shield Merge Grip OnePlus 11 5G case. So we will talk about its design, features, build quality, the various color options and all of its pros and cons. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So the Tudia Dual Shield Merge Grip case for OnePlus 11 5G comes with the tough Rhino technology, and it is called Dual Shield because the case is divided in two parts. One of them is made of hard shell fiber and another one is soft silicon. Once they are connected, that means once they merge, that enhances the protection to your device because it works very nicely as shock absorbent because of the dual layer of the protection. Time to time you can also use only the soft silicon case with your OnePlus 11 5G. That will reduce a bit of bulk from the device, but it will also reduce the protection to the device as well. But you can snap this hard shell on top of the soft silicon cover anytime you want, and the protection will be doubled on your OnePlus 11 5G. The case is not bulky at all, even with dual layer of material on it. It comes with accurately placed cutout for slots, ports, buttons, as well as for the microphone and the volume rockers. So you will be able to use all of the functionality of your OnePlus 11 5G without worrying about any restriction because of this case, and the keys provide a very nice tactile feeling while pressing them. The camera edges are raised, as you can see here, to provide a nice protection to the camera module, and the same goes with the screen as well, as it comes with lifted screen lid to provide the protection to the screen. It comes with a very nice textured back panel that provides a very nice grip, and the same goes with the side of the case as well. The overall grip on the Tudia Dual Shield Merge Grip case for OnePlus 11 5G is very nice, and even if you got a slippery hand, you won't drop your smartphone. Other than the black, the Tudia Dual Shield Merge Grip case for OnePlus 11 5G comes in multiple colors. So we got grey, indigo blue, a smoky pink, and the pine green color options for the Tudia Dual Shield Merge Grip case for OnePlus 11 5G. So depending on your preference, you can select any of these color options for this case. And as you can see, other than the black, all of these come with dual tone design that looks quite eye-catching and attractive as well. Overall, Tudia Dual Shield Merge Grip case for OnePlus 11 5G is a very nice one, as it comes with tough Rhino dual layer protection, a very nice grip, perfectly placed slots and ports, very clicky and tactile buttons, as well as multiple color options. So if you're planning to buy a case for your OnePlus 11 5G, then this is one of the options that you must consider. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.